next one is really very weird. I don't know how people do this. They never comb my hair. So I'm not saying to wash on Thursday because मेरी मम्मी.
Hey guys, it's Amisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all guys some hair tips. So basically nowadays मैंने अपने hair routine में कुछ changes किए हैं and you can see my hair texture is quite improved nowadays. So I thought let's share these changes with you all guys too. So yeah, if you are interested in knowing these changes, then without any further ado, let's get started. First hack is using any non-sticky oil or hair serum in your hair length before going to bed. So basically आपको 2 to 3 drops of hair oil अपने palm में लेना है and simply अपनी fingers को अपने hair length में run करना है. Don't go on your scalp, just apply on your hair length and in morning you will see you have beautiful nourished hair. बिल्कुल भी hair sticky या oily नहीं लगने वाले हैं. जो भी excess oil है वो आपके hair absorb कर लेंगे and you will get beautiful hair in morning. Okay, now the next tip is maybe you're going to think what it really works, but yes, it really works. So it is massaging your scalp before going to bed. So basically you don't need to take any hair oil or serum, nothing. You have to take nothing and you have to simply massage your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes before going to bed. Basically it helps to increase the blood circulation of scalp and it improves the growth of your hair plus texture of hairs too. Okay, so the next tip is keeping your hairs always knot free. So basically I think most of the girls follow this, but if you are someone like me, the lazy one, and what I used to do कि I always make a bun and just roam around always and never comb my hairs, like whole day pass and I never comb my hair. So it really makes my hair so frizzy and so much knotted because it's like a period of corona and pandemic and we have to not step out. I just ignore my hairs a lot. So basically make sure you don't do this, and if you are doing this you are really damaging your hair a lot. It makes your hair so much frizzy, knotted and increases your hair fall. Now the next tip is not applying hair oil on your dirty hair. So basically mostly people do hair wash only once in a week, which is like on Sunday mostly, and they apply hair oil one day before, like on Saturday night. सो प्लीज़ स्टॉप डूइंग दिस बिकॉज आपके हेयर काफ़ी ज़्यादा गंदे हो चुके होते हैं उस मोमेंट पे. लाइक 6 days हो गए हैं, आपके हेयर्स ऑयली हैं, स्कैल्प में डर्ट है और उसके ऊपर हेयर ऑयल अप्लाई करना डजंट मेक एनी सेंस. आपको कोई भी बेनिफिट्स नहीं मिलते हैं हेयर ऑयल के बिकॉज आपकी स्कैल्प पहले से ही बहुत ज़्यादा गंदी है. सो येस, अवॉइड डूइंग दिस. इसकी जगह आप क्या कर सकते हो, यू कैन लाइक वॉश योर हेयर ऑन 3rd और 4th डे. डोंट वॉश ऑन थर्सडे. आई एम नॉट सेइंग टू वॉश ऑन थर्सडे बिकॉज मेरी मम्मी तो बहुत चिल्लाती है थर्सडे में हेयर वॉश करने पे. आपके साथ ही होता है तो कमेंट करो. बट या यू कैन डू इट ऑन वेडनेसडे एंड संडे एंड यू कैन अप्लाई 1 day बिफोर हेयर ऑयल. सो आपकी स्कैल्प उतनी ज़्यादा गंदी भी नहीं होगी एंड आपको ऑयल के बेनिफिट्स मिल पाएंगे. एंड बाय डूइंग दिस you are washing your hair twice, so you are applying your hair oil twice too, so there will be more benefits of oil too. And yeah guys, let's move on to the next tip, which is using hair mask once in 15 days. So basically people don't do this, but I will say include this in your routine and try using hair mask once in 15 days. It really make difference in your hair quality and it also makes your hair thick. So what you can do is you can simply use any DIY hair mask. You can check on my channel, or you can use the market ones. Just include a good hair mask in your routine and use it once in 15 days. Now guys, the next tip is trim your hairs once in like 45 days basically. So what it does basically, it removes your split ends, जिससे आपके हेयर्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्दी लगने लगते हैं एंड आपके हेयर्स की जो रफनेस होती है वो रिड्यूस होती है. एंड जब आप स्प्लिट एंड्स रिमूव करते हो तो आपकी जो हेयर ग्रोथ होती है वो भी इंक्रीज होती है. सो येस, यू कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस एंड आपको बिल्कुल भी ज़्यादा हेयर्स कट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जस्ट ट्रिम दैम एज आई एम शोइंग यू. यू कैन सिंपली ट्रिम दैम लाइक दिस एंड या guys, this is all about the tips, but I also want to share some points. Basically I think mostly people don't do it now, but if you are still doing this then stop doing it. Okay, so the first one is using your shampoo directly on your scalp. आपका shampoo paraben free है, sulfate free है, बहुत अच्छा है, I know, but don't do this. Always dilute your shampoo and then use it. Now the next point is something which my friend recommended me. So she told me that use your conditioner in your hair and then wash only 50% of it and leave 50% of conditioner on hair only. So it makes your hair look kind of nourished and glossy, but it does work, but it is not at all healthy for hair, so don't do this. Next one is really very weird. I don't know how people do this, but if you are doing this, stop doing it right now. So basically, I have seen so many people in shorts applying their body lotion on their hairs as hair mask. So it's really very disgusting. Don't do this. Just don't. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video and found it really helpful. So if you do so, then don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family members, and thank you for watching.